Welcome! In this video, we will look at the process to use the existing license of Tally.ERP9 in Tally.Prime. You need to have a perpetual Tally.ERP9 license with a valid TSS subscription in order to upgrade to Tally.Prime. If TSS is expired, you will not be able to use Tally.ERP9 license in Tally.Prime. To use an existing license, you have to upgrade from Tally.ERP9 to Tally.Prime directly. Double-click the Tally.Prime Setup exe. Here, you have the choice to either upgrade the existing Tally.ERP9 or install Tally.Prime separately. If you have single instance of Tally.ERP9 running, you will be directly taken to Update process. In case you have multiple instances of Tally.ERP9 installed, select the Tally.ERP9 installation in the list and press Enter. In the Update Tally.ERP9 screen, click Update. An Update Successful message is displayed. Click Start Tally.Prime to start the application. Tally.Prime will start in license mode. If Tally.ERP9 was in educational mode at the time of update, Tally.Prime will start in the education mode. If you have an existing licensing with valid TSS, you can reactivate the license in just a couple of clicks and use Tally.Prime in the licensed mode. We understand that you may want to continue to use Tally.ERP9 even after upgrading to Tally.Prime. Tally.Prime supports this using the new version of the Tally Gateway Server version 11.0, which supports both Tally.ERP9 client as well as Tally.Prime client simultaneously. This coexistence is supported for Tally.Prime and Tally.ERP9. Let us just see how the license is upgraded and shared. Install Tally.Prime separately in a different folder in the same system as Tally.ERP9. Tally.Prime will start in education mode. Click Reactivate License and provide your TallyNet ID and password to reactivate. You will get the license reactivation message. Once the license is reactivated in Tally.Prime, Tally.ERP9 goes into education mode. You can now share the Tally.Prime license with Tally.ERP9. Get the gateway server details with port number from Tally.Prime. Start Tally.ERP9. Press Ctrl+Alt+L or click License and Services panel in the bottom pane. Click F12 Configure Existing License button. The Tally.Prime Gateway server machine and port details are listed. Select the same. Select Yes in message displayed to use the same license. Tally.ERP9 will restart in licensed mode. If you are a multi-user and you want to configure your Tally.ERP9 from a different machine, you can give the machine name and port of server machine where Tally.Prime Gateway server is running. We have simplified the licensing process of Tally Prime by enabling you to use the existing license in a few simple steps.
अगर आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब और नोटिफिकेशन ऑल ना किया हो तो प्लीज़ वो भी ज़रूर करें। थैंक यू।